One of the many benefits of using this principle of the pin is this method that we can use on the recovery. An ability to get from the release up to the entry without having to pull ourselves up the slide with our legs, which starts to involve a lot of muscles that are only going to create problems for us, particularly at the entry. So we want to try to keep the legs just relaxed during the recovery and be able to get from the release to the entry and get the blade in. All right, we do this with this method we call the skimming method, and it's simply the method of always applying pressure against the pin in the direction of the blade. So it requires, of course, that your structural posture be set, and what it is imagine, this is a very imperfect analogy, but imagine we're sitting on a big skateboard and you've got breakfast on the other side into a different room, and you want to draw yourself through these pocket doors to get to breakfast. The doors recede into the background. This is a crude approximation of what we're after, but we can do this by rotating the handles around the pin, and if the knees are soft, the knees will come up as we draw ourselves forward into the entry. Okay, you can see how the knees come up, and it's not necessary to use the legs to do this. All right, so here I am. I'm drawing through the pocket doors by this rotation around the pin. Simply this, the knees come up. It's the rotation of the handle which controls the movement of the seat, your lumbar, your trunk, everything as a unit. We're a piece of the equipment without any loose nuts or bolts. We move into the entry. Okay.